Good afternoon to one and all. My name is Uday. Today I am going to teach you about Flutter along with NestJS. What is Flutter? What is NestJS? What is Flutter? Okay. In today's class I am going to cover you what is Flutter. Okay. What is NestJS? Okay. Why companies using them? Why companies use them? Okay. Real time examples. These many things I am going to cover you, and software installation and create first Flutter application. Okay, create first NestJS. NestJS is a backend like Python, Node.js, like that. Backend framework, backend API. Okay, connect Flutter application with NestJS backend. Okay, and then these are the topics that I'm going to cover you in today's demo session. Okay, next, before Flutter in old technologies, what happened we will see. Okay, before Flutter in old technologies, what happened we will see. Okay, in old technologies, Android, separate Android, Java plus iOS, Swift. Swift programming is there for iOS. Okay, is there. Because of this, what is the problem means? What is the problem because of this? Two teams we need. Two teams needed. That is the problem. Not only that, PHP as backend they use in old technologies. Okay. Because of this, what is the problem? Difficult structure. Difficult structure. Okay. Next, traditional APIs. Traditional APIs. Because of this, hard maintenance is a problem. Hard maintenance is the problem. And slow development. And slow development. Because of this, it leads to more cost. More cost we need to pay. Okay, these are the problems. And these are the problems that we are facing in by using old technologies. Okay, next, why Flutter? Why we can go for Flutter? Okay, Flutter is nothing but F capital. Flutter is nothing but one code for Android, one code for Android plus iPhone. Okay, both in a single thing. Only one code is readed. Previously, two teams are readed for one for Android, one for iOS. Now, because of using Flutter, only one team is enough for both Android and iPhone. It is created by Google. It is created by Google. Okay, advantage. What is the advantage? Okay, what is the advantage that we will see? Okay, advantage is single code base. Single code base. Next one is fast UI development. Fast UI development. Next, beautiful design. Next, hot reload. Next, less cost. Next, cross platform. These are the advantages of Flutter. Okay. Which companies are using Flutter? That we will see. Real companies using Flutter. Okay. What are the companies that are using Flutter? We will see. Google. Google is the company they are using Flutter, and Alibaba Group. Alibaba Group is the company that they are using Flutter. Okay. Alibaba Group. Nest. BMW car company. Okay. Nest. eBay. eBay. Okay. Nest. Why NestJS? These are the companies that they are using Flutter. Next, why NestJS? You will see. It created using Node.js. Node.js is a backend technology. JavaScript, TypeScript, Node.js, TypeScript. Okay, Node.js, TypeScript, and Express or Fastify. Express or Fastify. Why Next.js? It created using Node.js, TypeScript, Express or Fastify. What are the advantages? What are the advantages that we will see? Structured backend, structured backend, and easy APIs, and scalable. Next, used in enterprise applications. Okay. Next, similar to Java Spring Boot architecture. Java Spring Boot architecture. Okay. These are the advantages of using NestJS. Okay. Next, companies using NestJS. Which companies are using NestJS that we will see. Companies using Adidas. Adidas is a company using NestJS. Roshi is a company using NestJS. Capgemini. Capgemini is using NestJS. Okay. Next, real-time projects we will see where we use real-time projects. Okay. Food delivery app. You know food delivery, right? Amazon, Zomato. Sorry, Zomato, Swiggy. These are all food delivery apps are there, right? Like Swiggy, food delivery apps like Swiggy, Zomato. Okay. Flutter used for where Flutter used here. Flutter where we use in food delivery app means for mobile app UI. Next, login screens, and restaurant pages, and restaurant pages, and cart page, and payment screen. Okay, in these areas Flutter is used for mobile application UI, login screens, restaurant pages, cart page, payment screen. Where NestJS, where it is used in food delivery app, we will see NestJS used for login API. Okay, login API, restaurant data API, restaurant data API, order API, payment API, database connection. Database connection. In these areas, we are using NestJS. Okay, login API, restaurant data API, order API, payment API, database connection. Okay, what is the flow? See, Flutter application Flutter application to HTTP request. It raises HTTP request and then it moves to NestJS backend API and then database and then a response to Flutter. This is the flow. Okay. Next, install software installation. First, you have to install VS Code. Okay. VS Code you need to install. So where I need to install VS Code is nothing but like this. See, down VS Code download. There is the VS Code download. Download visualstudio.com. Okay, this you need to download and then nest. Okay, then this is the Visual Studio Code. Okay, this is the Visual Studio Code. Okay, next we will see. Then extensions we use. Extensions. Go to here. Extensions. You can search Flutter and then install. You can search Dart and then install. See, Flutter I typed. I already installed, but I was showing you. See, Flutter. See, already installed. If you want to uninstall, you can uninstall. Next, Dart also similar thing. Dart. Okay, Dart. Dart. This is also installed. See, Dart. Okay, Dart also installed. See, already installed. Next, Thunder client you need to install. Thunder client. These are the things I already installed, but I am showing how to install. Okay, I already install. If you want to uninstall, you can uninstall. Okay, next install Flutter SDK you need to install. See, go to here flutter.dev also you can do. Okay, flutter.dev also you can go and then you can get start download. Okay, next. Otherwise, Flutter SDK. Go to Flutter SDK, download, install Flutter SDK. Okay, go down and follow the steps, and then in uninstall steps, installation step, add Flutter to path and everything. You can go down and then you can see, and then you can install. Okay, once installed, go to Android also. Android Studio also you can install. Okay, this is the Android Studio. Go here and then this emulator and everything I already done. Okay, these things I will go through Android demo video class and follow the steps whatever I explained there. Okay, next what you need to do means exit, because I already explained in Android demo video session. Go through that. Okay, next command prompt. Go to command prompt. Node-v. I already installed this one. That's why it is showing the version npm-v. I already installed. That's why it is showing the version. If you don't have Node.js, then go to here Node.js download for Windows. Okay, then download Node.js. Okay, click on this one. Okay, and then you can go, just click on this one, install, and then next. Okay, like this you have to install Node.js. Okay, next whether Flutter is installed in your machine properly or not, do one thing. Flutter doctor you need to do. See, it is installed or not means it is going to check. See, these all things you can forget. Okay, only this thing you have to remember. Android toolchain developed for Android devices SDK. Tick means okay, this is correct. Okay, Flutter already installed in mission. Okay, next first you have to create on application. Flutter, how to create Flutter application, we will see. My first application is, go here. My first application is this one. My first underscore app. That is my first application. If you want to create new application, Flutter, okay, create, okay, Uday underscore app. This I want to create new application. Okay, I am creating that application, Uday underscore application. Then what I need to do, cd space Uday underscore application. Okay, then code doll. Okay, this I need to run. Okay, then what I need to do, go to lib here, main dot here. Okay, here we need to write the code. Here we need to write the code. Okay, wait. Open folder. Where is this Flutter? Where is this? Wait, all right. Because of open folder Flutter set folder. Okay, and then go here. Go here. Where is this one? Flutter. Okay. Where is this one? Where is this project? Start. Okay, close it. Here. Go here. Lib. Inside lib, in main dot, we write the code. Okay, in main dot, we write the code. Okay, not this one. Okay, go above. Okay, go above. What to starting one. Okay, go here. What I writing, welcome students, I written here, and then Flutter first application I am creating. Okay, Flutter first application I am going to write the code here in main dot. Okay, then what you need to do, how to run the code, Flutter space run, Flutter space run. Okay, which Chrome or Edge or anything, second I selected. Okay, then see what happened. See here, lib means main dot code will be there. Android means Android files will be there. Okay, iOS means iOS files will be there. Okay, see, don't think that Flutter is very small. So many things are there. Okay, demo session. That's why I didn't show you everything in demo session. Okay, in tomorrow session, I'm going to start how to Android, iOS, how to use this Flutter and everything. Now I'm going to show you only sample applications. Wait. It will come. It is running. See here, it is running. It will take some time, but it will run. See, this is the basic Flutter first application. It will come. Wait. See, Flutter demo page. Okay, you have pushed this button many times. Okay, no issue, no problem. Okay, so many times I pushed this one. That's why it is showing like that. Okay, no need to worry at all. See what happened. What is this import package Flutter material dot mean? It imports Flutter UI library. Okay, it provides button, text, application bar, scaffold. Okay, this library provides these many things. Next, program starts from main method. Run amp launches Flutter application. Okay, next, run amp launches Flutter application. Next, it creates UI component. Okay, stateless widget. It creates UI component. UI without changing data. UI without changing data. Next, material app. What is this material app? It is a main application container. Okay, it is a main application container. It provides navigation, theme, routing, and everything this material application will provide. Next, scaffold. Sir, what is meant by this scaffold? Okay, scaffold. You are writing what is this mean by scaffold means basic mobile page structure. It contains application bar, body. Okay, it contains application bar, body. Okay, dryer, bottom navigation, and everything. See, application bar, body, dryer, bottom navigation, and everything. Okay, next, app bar. App bar means what? It is the top navigation bar. Okay, next, body center means centers content on the screen. Next, whatever you are writing, see here, Flutter first application you are writing here. Welcome to, here what I am going to write is welcome to Uday IT. Whatever I am writing, that one only it will come. Okay, wait. One minute, please. My charging is completed on the screen. Oh, sorry, guys. Because of charging, my charging was complete. Okay, next. Like this, we are writing the code. Finally, it displays text on the whatever you written here. Okay, this we will see. This we will see. Okay, wait. Flutter run. So what happens? See what happens here. Flow we will see. What happens here? The flow we will see. First, main method. Next, run application. Run application method. Next, what happened? My application. My application loaded. Okay. Next, material app created. Material app. Material app created. Next, what happened? Home page opened. Home page opened. Next, scaffold. Scaffold UI built. Scaffold UI built. Next, text displayed. This is the flow that is happening in that code. Okay, to run one sample Flutter application. What I am showing to you, this is the code. Okay, next we will see. This is the code. Oh, why it is throwing again and again? Same thing. We have pushed this many times. Okay. Okay, wait. Okay, no problem. Maybe it is overriding here every time. It is the thing. Okay. we have pushed this many times. Like that, we are going to see. Git fetch running git pull and then git status. This we will see. Okay, that we will see. Not this one also. In Google it is not also showing due to time constraint. Okay, same application, but so many times I ran in last session, so that's why it is throwing error. I think. Okay, let's git add. Okay, this we will see. Add. See. Sometimes it happens. No need to worry at all. Git commit. Okay, git push origin main. Without git initialization, how it will come? It will not come. Okay, git we need to know. Git. Okay. Okay, we will see this thing. Uh, so many times I ran for previous batch students. That's why it is overriding every time, and it is not displaying here. Okay, no need to worry. It will come. If it don't come, also no need to worry. That is the output. Okay. Instead of 1, 2, 3, it is showing welcome to the IT. Whatever you are writing here, same thing in only. Here I are writing welcome students. Here welcome to the IT is going to display instead of 1, 2, 3. Okay. Hmm. See, instead of 1, 2, 3, welcome to the IT, it's late to come. But something. Okay. Okay, we will see what happened. Because of so many times I run Chrome, that's why maybe it is not coming, I think. In Edge, we will see. In Edge, we will see. It will come in Edge, I think. Sometimes it happens because of so many times we run for previous batch students and before batch students. That's why what happens is sometimes compatibility issues with them. Sometimes we override, so many times we written the code that every time it is overriding. That's why because of that also it will not work sometimes. Same working, but instead of welcome to the 80 1 to 3 it is showing. That is the problem. Because so many times we run right, that's why. See, here also it is showing you have pushed the button this many times. Okay, sort, set, extensions. Okay, here Flutter demo homepage, and then okay, okay, this is the thing. Okay, now I understood. Now I understood, man. Why it is not coming? Okay, my underscore first underscore application. Wait, directory. CD space. My underscore first underscore application and then flutter run and then Chrome. Now it is coming. I think. Wait. Here, what is happening? Why it is not coming? That no issues. Okay, so this is back and that we will see. Sometimes it will happen. Okay. Flutter. Main node. It will happen. Flutter it will work. Oh, okay. Flutter. Why it is not okay? Chrome. Okay, no issue. I will see that one what it is happening. So sometimes it happens. No need to worry at all. I will show you each and everything, and I will explain you also. No need to worry. Sometimes it will happen. Yesterday I ran so many times for many batches. Maybe it is locking the things. Wait, it will run. Here it is running. Okay. Wait. See, now it will come, I think. See, welcome students. Okay, welcome to Udayit. Whatever I am writing here, that is coming in the UI. See, welcome to Udayit I am writing. That's why welcome to Udayit. And also here, welcome students I am writing in the amber. That's why here in the application bar, it is showing welcome students. Okay, now you got clarity, right? Okay, don't see. Like this, we have to do many things. Okay, next example I want to show you. Okay, this is the first application we are going to create it in. We are created in Flutter application by using Flutter application. Next, how to create NestJS backend. See, this is the Flutter application. Okay, backend application I want to create. NestJS is used for backend applications, right? For that I created how to check the backend applications that we will see. Okay, this we need to run. This we need to check. Okay, here in source app.controller.ts we write the code like this. Hello from NestJS backend, it is going to return. Okay, if I write a code like this. Okay, here we need to write the code, backend code. Okay, next what we need to do, means npm go here, go cd space backend underscore application, and then npm run space start. Okay, and if you run this code, see what happened. We will see what it is going to return is hello from NestJS backend. NestJS is a backend application, right? That is going to return in the browser. Okay, so we will see in the browser. This is the browser, right? How to see in the browser? http okay colon localhost colon 3000. See, hello from NestJS backend. That is the output. Okay, this is how you are going to write a code. Sir, what code I written, sir? Here, see, this is the code you written. What you are doing here, we will see. See, first you are writing decorators. These are all decorators at the rate. These are all decorators. Import NestJS decorators. Next, what you are doing at the rate controller. At the rate controller is nothing but it creates API controller. Okay, it handles routes. Routes it handles. Okay, next, export class app controller. What it is? It's a backend logic container. Backend logic container. Okay, next, at the rate get. What it is? HTTP get request endpoint. Next, get hello of string. What it is? Function returns string data. What is that string data? It returns hello from NestJS backend. That is the output. Here we are getting hello from NestJS backend. So what is the flow here? What is the flow, sir? Here means from browser to, from browser to, okay, browser request, browser request. Then what happened? NestJS, NestJS, it goes to NestJS server. Then what happened? Controller, because it routes right controller. Next, function executes. Function executions happening. Next, response returned. Next, response returned. Okay, this is how the process will be. Okay, finally, hello from NestJS is the output. That is written from the NestJS server, backend server. Okay, next. See, Flutter application you already saw here, previous example. Previous example. In this example, you already saw Flutter application. Here in backend application, you already saw. Now what you need to do? Connect Flutter application with NestJS. Backend with frontend. Flutter. Backend with Flutter. Okay. How you need to do? First, you need to run flutter space, okay, publish add http, that you need to run. Okay, that you need to run. It is not working here. Okay, no issue. Then what you need to write? You need to write a code. What code you need to write? Go here, lib, okay, main dot, okay, go here, okay, then go down. Is the code you need to write for Flutter application. Don't worry about the code, sir. In tomorrow's session, I am going to explain you line by line how to write a code. I will make you to write the code in every session. No need to worry. I will give you the task and I will explain each and everything. And finally, I will make you to write the code easily without any tensions. Okay, without any worry. Okay. Is the first session, right? That's why it looks new for you. Okay, what I need to do? It is used for Android emulator localhost access. Here I am mentioning localhost 3000. This is nothing but a Android emulator localhost access. What happens, sir? Here means here the how the flow means flutter up, flutter app opens here. When Flutter app opens, what happens means init state, init state, initialization state. Okay, and then fetch data, fetch data, fetch data method, initialization fetching. Okay, and then HTTP request send, and then NestJS, okay, API receives request, receives request, okay, and then controller executes, controller executes, and then response sent, response sent, and then Flutter receives data, and then UI is going to update it. Okay, this is the process. This is the process. Okay, we will see. We will see here. See what happened where it is the code here, right? Okay, we will go through. See here main method. Everything what I already explained you these all things. See fetch data, init state, fetch data. Okay, and then HTTP request. HTTP request sent. This one HTTP request, and then what happened? NestJS API, NestJS API receives request and controller executes, and then response sent, and Flutter receives data and UI updates. Okay, and UI updates. Okay, this is how the process will be. Okay, we will try. We will see. Okay, npm run start. This it will run server, backend server will run, and then in the front end where it is, these things you need to install. This one, everything you need to install. Okay, this you will see in the command prompt. See 11.0 version already installed. Okay, then what I need to do is this I need to run. This I need to run here. Okay, maybe that is not in the same folder. cd space Oscar, cd space Oscar, cd space Oscar Flutter. This is Flutter directory, cd space my first application. Okay, then this you need to run. Here I am connecting Flutter application with NestJS backend. Their backend code I am running. Okay, here Flutter application I am running. I am connecting both. Okay, it will run. Here it is running. Wait, we will see. See here. In the UI it is updating. What it is updating? See API demo hello from NestJS backend, it is showing in the UI. That only I am writing here. Here I am writing, see here I am writing API demo in title. That's why it is showing title as API demo in the navigation bar. Okay, and then here I am showing, see this is the localhost 3000, that is a response system request, and that's why I'm next. What I want to do is, see here somewhere I written, okay wait, somewhere I written what is output, hello from NestJS backend. Yes sir, no, that only. This is the main dot. This is the front end application, right? In backend we written that one. Where is in backend? In backend we are returning. Where is that one? Source app.controller.ts. Here we are writing hello from NestJS backend. Okay, that's why here what happened? API demo hello from NestJS backend it is showing. Okay, this is the, this is how we are going to connect backend application with Flutter application. Okay, backend application with Flutter application. Okay, next Next, what you need to do, this, where is this one? Lib main dot. This also we need to check sometimes. That is output. Okay, whatever I am showing, there is the output. I am checking in another side also. I am just checking. Okay, hello from NestJS backend only came. But if you want API demo like this, then we have to connect Flutter application with backend. From backend it is showing hello from NestJS backend, and Flutter application you are showing API demo. Okay, this is how the UI is going to update here by connecting Flutter application with NestJS as a backend. Okay, why companies love this combination? See, why companies interested in mixing Flutter with Flutter plus NestJS? Why companies are interested means they have some advantages. See, because Flutter was NestJS. Okay, Flutter is a fast UI, fast user interface. See, how many times if you run that one, immediately it is showing the user interface. That's why it is a fast UI, and it is a structured backend. That's why companies is using Flutter plus NestJS. Okay, Android plus iOS in a single team, it is going to handle in Flutter. Okay, in NestJS is a scalable APIs. Okay. Next, a beautiful design. See how the user interface will be. See here. You can see right how the interface very nice, right, with good look and feel, right. That is I am explaining here. That what I am explaining here. See, enterprise ready. Okay. See, NestJS. These are the NestJS advantages. By using those two combinations, more advantages are there. That's why companies are using NestJS as a backend for Flutter. Okay, it's their wish according to the client requirement only. If you want to use Node.js as a backend, also you can use. Okay, next, low cost. Okay, and clean architecture. Okay, NestJS is a clean architecture. Okay, so where we use it in real time. In real time, in industries like banking, okay, banking we use Flutter. Flutter where we use mobile banking application. Flutter we use. Okay, and NestJS is used for NestJS where we use it in banking. Secure API, secure APIs. Okay, next, e-commerce. E-commerce where we use e-commerce. E-commerce means shopping application. Yes or no? Amazon, Flipkart, these are all. Okay. Flutter we use. NestJS where we used in e-commerce. How we use NestJS in e-commerce for product APIs. Okay. Next, healthcare. Okay. Flutter where we used doctor application, patient application. Okay, API's purpose NestJS where we used in healthcare for patient APIs. Okay, patient APIs. Okay, next, healthcare over. Next, education, education. Okay, in education, okay, learning app will be there. Learning application. Okay, for Flutter we use. For learning application, Flutter we use. For NestJS, where we use Unicom education for course API. For course APIs. Okay. Next, food delivery. In these many areas in real time, they are using Flutter we use for delivery of delivery application. NestJS we used for okay order APIs. For APIs purpose, they are using NestJS. Okay, in banking, where we use Flutter for mobile banking applications. Okay, where we use NestJS in banking for secure APIs. In e-commerce, Flutter we used for shopping application. NestJS we used for product APIs. In healthcare, for doctor application we use Flutter. Okay, for NestJS, for patient APIs we use NestJS. Okay, learning application we use Flutter in education system, and course APIs purpose we use NestJS. Okay, food delivery application purpose, app purpose we use Flutter, and order API purpose we use NestJS. These many areas we used Flutter with NestJS in real time. Okay, why Flutter instead of native Android? Okay, this you need to answer in tomorrow session. In tomorrow session, I'm going to explain you why Flutter instead of native Android, why NestJS instead of normal Node.js, what is API. See, in tomorrow session, I am going to explain you about why Flutter instead of native Android. Okay, why NestJS instead of normal Node.js. Okay, next, what is API? Okay, next, how frontend communicates with backend, how frontend communicates with backend. These many things I am going to show you with practical. Today I already explained you those things, but why Flutter instead of native Android? Android is there, then why Flutter instead of Node.js? Why NestJS? What is API? How frontend communicates with backend? Everything in with practical in tomorrow session I am going to show you. Okay. Okay, guys. In tomorrow session, I'm going to show you about. I'm going to show you Flutter buttons, Flutter buttons, how it look like, and everything. I will show you in tomorrow session. And text field, okay, and login form, and NestJS API, APIs, MongoDB connection, okay, and CRUD operations, okay, and authentication, and real-time application, and everything I will cover you in tomorrow's session, along with why Flutter instead of native Android, and why NestJS instead of normal Node.js, what is API, how frontend communicates with the backend, and everything I will show you tomorrow session. Okay. See, I want to show you one more thing also. Library. Okay. Where is this one? Backend application. Control source app.controller.ts. Hello from NestJS backend is there. Instead of welcome students, I want to return. Instead of welcome, okay, no need to worry at all. Same code, same code. See, don't worry at all. Everything I will explain you in tomorrow's session. Today is the demo session. That's why almost 110 sessions are there for this Flutter API, Flutter sessions. Okay, Flutter plus NestJS sessions. 110 sessions I am going to teach you. At least 100 sessions it is going to happen you until now. Total 100 sessions I think. Because so many topics are there. Along with practicals, in first day only I am showing these many practicals, means understand. In later sessions, how many practicals I am going to show you. Because without practical knowledge, it's very difficult to survive once you enter into the IT industry. Whether you are joining with me in my course or not, it's your wish. But wherever you join, you can think twice before joining in that institute, because what happens is nowadays without practical knowledge, if you enter into industry, see, Welcome students. It is getting instead of hello from NestJS backend. According to our requirement, we can change the code. Okay, no issues. Okay, this also we can do. Here also welcome students. It will come. Wait, welcome students because I changed it. Okay, okay, guys. See, finally, you see wherever you joined, it's your wish. In first day only, I am showing this many practicals, this much code. Okay, this many practicals I am showing in first day session. In my every demo video means in later sessions, how many practicals I am going to show you. You can analyze, okay, because without practical knowledge it's very difficult once you went to IT industry. Okay, this is the first day demo session, that's why I want to give you overview. Okay, I will explain what is this body, what is this chain, what is this frame, why we are writing like this only. Okay, everything I will explain you, no need to worry at all. Due to time constraint, I am in little bit hurry. Okay, in tomorrow session, why I am going to write this code like this, everything I will explain you line by line. Okay, no need to worry at all. Okay, you guys also, I will make you to write the code in such like this. I will make you to write the code in an easy way, in an easy manner, so that once you enter IT industry with see, my training will cover around 8 years of experience. Even though some of the guys will put experience side, for them also 8 years experience I'm going to cover them. So no need to worry at all. 8 years experience you are going to get in my online training institute. Okay, okay, guys. If you have any doubts, you can call with me. Okay, this is my website. Okay, udayit dot great hyphen site dot net is my website. Okay, and youtube.com Udayit Tech Academy is my YouTube channel. Okay, this is my mobile number 481 432 79 660. I will show you. Okay, wait 1 minute. Wait. Okay, go here in Google Chrome. Udayit dot great hyphen site dot net. This is my website. Okay, go here, say sign up here, full name, email address, password, confirm password, and then create account, and then login here or login here anywhere. Once you sign up, you got email address, password, that you have to fill that. Inside that bank details will be there, you can go and fill there. Okay, go to home. See, these many courses are there. Salesforce, Agent API. These many courses I am teaching in my institute. Okay, if your friends are interested, you can refer to them so that they can join. Okay, generative governance, machine learning, stack. Okay, these many courses are there. Okay, at the end of the home, you go to click. Once you click home, go to end, go down. Here, this is my phone number 8140, and this is my mail ID. If you have any doubts while paying the fees, you can call me. Sir, how to pay the fees? Sir, I am showing one example. AWS. Like this, you can search Flutter also. Okay, go down, enroll now. Okay, it is asking you email ID password. Once you sign up, right there, you get email ID password. Once you log in, bank credentials are there. You can pay the fees. Okay, before going to pay the fees, go to home. If you have any doubts, go down. Okay, this is my mobile number. You can call me if you have any doubts with you. Okay, next youtube.com. Go to youtube.com. Uday IT Tech Academy is my YouTube channel. See, this is my YouTube. This is my course one. This is yesterday I uploaded blockchain video demo session. Okay, AI plus backend engineering course I uploaded. Microsoft Power Apps, Playwright with types. These are all the demo sessions I am teaching for my students. These many courses I teach up to now. Okay, for my students, you can go through those ones also. See here, a non-verbal, verbal, soft skills, aptitude also there. Okay, this one Java, Agent AI course also there. Okay, so many courses I am teaching for my students. Any of your friends are interested, we can refer to them so that they can, if they are interested, they can join and they can go here. Okay, sign up here and then they can select the course and then they can pay the fees. Okay. Okay guys, have a nice day. It was a nice meeting to all of you. If you have any doubts in today's session, you can call with me or chat ping with me so that I can clarify your doubts. Okay, have a nice day. It was nice meeting to all of you. Bye bye. Okay guys, have a nice day. Bye bye.